Hello and welcome. This lecture is based on multiplying two 4-digit numbers using vertically and crosswise technique. In case of multiplication of 4-digit numbers, first of all we have to multiply vertically in the leftmost column and then crosswise in the first and the second column, and in the third step we have to multiply crosswise in the first and the third column and vertically in the second column. And in the fourth step, we have to multiply crosswise first and the fourth column and then second and the third column. And in the next step, we have to multiply crosswise in the second and the fourth column and vertically in the third column. And in next step, we have to multiply crosswise in last two columns, then vertically in the rightmost column. Now let's try to multiply these 4-digit numbers using vertically and crosswise technique. First of all, we have to multiply vertically in the leftmost column. So 2 times 4 is 8. Then crosswise in the first and the second column. 2 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Now crosswise in the first and the third column and vertically in the second column. 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 4 is 12, and 1 times 0 is 0. So 2 plus 12, 14 plus 0 is 14. And we will write 14 like this. And now crosswise in the first and the fourth column like this. Again crosswise in the second and the third column. Let's try to see this step again. We have to multiply first and the fourth column crosswise and second and the third column again crosswise. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, then 1 times 1 is 1 and 3 times 0 is 0. Or we have to keep this in brain. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, so 12, 1 times 1 is 1, so 13, and 3 times 0 is 0, so 13. Again we have to multiply crosswise and vertically. So 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 0 is 0, 3 times 1 is 1. So 2 plus 0 plus 3, 5. And now crosswise again. 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2, 6 plus 2, 8. And now vertically 2 times 2 is 4. So 4, 8, 5, 3, 5, 5, 8. So this is the answer. Let's do one more example. First of all, vertically 3 times 5 is 15. Then crosswise 3 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 5 is 20, and 1 times 0 is 0. 3 plus 20 plus 0, 23. 3 times 3 is 9, 5 times 2 is 10, 1 times 1 is 1, and 4 times 0 is 0. So 9 plus 10, 19, plus 1, 20, plus 0, 20. 1 times 3 is 3, 4 times 1 is 4. So 3 plus 0 plus 4, 7. 4 times 3 is 12 and 2 times 1 is 2. 12 plus 2, 14. 2 times 3 is 6. So this is the answer. Let's try to do one more problem. Six times 3 is 18. Now crosswise, 6 times 1 is 6, 0 times 3 is 0. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 times 0 is 0, 1 times 3 is 3 and 0 times 1 is 0. 0 plus 3 plus 0. 3. 6 times 2 is 12, 3 times 3 is 9. 0 times 0 is 0 and 1 times 1 is 1. 12 plus 9, 21 plus 1, 22. 0 times 2 is 0, 3 times 1 is 3 and 1 times 0 is also 0. So 0 plus 3 plus 0, 3. 1 times 2 is 2, 3 times 0 is 0. So 2 plus 0, 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So this is the answer. So this is how we multiply two 4-digit numbers using vertically and crosswise technique of Vedic math. And now there is a small task for you to practice more problems, and answers are also given to you.